Why is hand washing so important for COPD patients? Imagine fighting a battle every day just to breathe. Now, think about how tiny germs can make that fight even harder. For people with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, staying healthy means keeping those germs at bay. Hand washing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to do that. Since COPD weakens the lungs and the immune system, catching a cold or a virus can turn into a serious problem. These infections can cause flare-ups, which are episodes where breathing gets much harder. Sometimes, these flare-ups lead to hospital stays or long-term damage to the lungs. That's why preventing infections is so important for living well with COPD. When you wash your hands properly, you remove germs that you might pick up from touching surfaces or shaking hands. Many viruses and bacteria spread through contact with contaminated hands and then touching your face, especially your nose, mouth, or eyes. Washing your hands thoroughly makes it less likely those germs will get into your respiratory system. To wash your hands the right way, wet them with warm water, apply soap, and scrub all parts of your hands for at least 20 seconds. Be sure to clean the backs of your hands, between your fingers, under your nails, and your wrists. Rinse well and dry with a clean towel. If soap and water are not available, using a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is a good backup. Just remember, hand sanitizer is not a substitute for proper hand washing when soap and water are available. Cleaning medical equipment like oxygen masks, nebulizers, and inhalers is also very important. Germs can grow on these devices if they are not cleaned regularly, which can cause infections. Good oral hygiene is another key part of staying healthy. Poor dental health can increase the risk of lung infections because bacteria from the mouth can travel to the lungs. By making hand washing a daily habit, you reduce your chances of catching germs that can cause infections and worsen your COPD. It helps protect your lungs and keeps flare-ups from happening. When combined with cleaning your medical devices and taking care of your oral health, hand hygiene becomes a simple but powerful tool for living well with COPD and avoiding unnecessary hospital visits.